Want to know how to set up your password in Playsee? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step plan on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's go straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Playsee application. We have also created a video on how to download it, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done that, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing your profile right here. So you can just simply select it. Now once you have selected the profile, if you have opened it freshly, here you can see complete your profile, and once you scroll a bit to the left or to the right, you should be seeing a set password right here. Just simply select it, and now here you can select password right here. So make sure you type in a good password and then confirm it again, and then select save right here. And once that is on, your password should be saved and it should be good to go. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily change your password in Playsee. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.